Want to make your voice count in Microsoft Loop? Whether for team decisions or collaborative projects, voting in Loop is simple and fast. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. Click the official site and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Signing in ensures your vote is properly recorded and synced. Next, navigate to the workspace or page where the voting table is located. Make sure you're on the correct page, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces. Once there, locate the voting table and read through the available options carefully. When you've decided, click on your preferred choice. Your vote will automatically register and the table will update in real time. No manual save or page refresh needed. This makes it easy to see how votes are accumulating and keeps the process transparent for everyone involved. And that's it. You've successfully voted in Microsoft Loop, contributing to team decisions efficiently. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering Microsoft Loop and improving your collaboration.